What if your PM, designer, tech lead, developer, and QA engineer could ship a feature together right now in the next few minutes without a single meeting? No, it's not a dream team. It's AIDLC. AIDLC stands for AI for Software Development Lifecycle. It's a system where specialized AI agents work together to ship software faster, with better documentation and fewer bugs. And this is real. It's a free VS Code extension I built, published on the VS Code Marketplace NPM and OpenVSX. Think of it like having a full development team available 24/7, a PM, a designer, a tech lead, a developer, a QA engineer, all AI powered, coordinated by one system. But you're still in control. You review and approve every step. The agents don't ship anything alone. Here's what traditional development looks like. Day 1, discovery and requirements, meetings, feedback, revisions. Day 2, a prototype gets built, just enough to validate the idea. Day 3, the tech lead designs the architecture, more meetings to align. Days 4 and 5, the developer implements the feature. Days 6 and 7, QA tests everything. Total timeline, 7 days. And that's for a simple feature. This is the actual AIDLC workflow, and it's just the default one. You can edit it or build your own from scratch. Step 1, plan. The PO agent writes the PRD. Step 2, prototype. A designer agent builds a working version. Then two things happen in parallel. The tech lead agent designs the architecture, while the QA agent writes the test plan. Once that's done, two more things run in parallel. The developer agent implements the feature, fully automatic, no human checkpoint needed there, while QA generates the test cases. Finally, execute test. QA runs everything and reports back. Two forks, one workflow, nothing waits that doesn't have to. And here's the real magic. Every step produces clear documentation, a PRD, a prototype, a technical design, test plans, an implementation summary, test results. Your entire process is documented. No tribal knowledge, no, only Sarah knows how this works. It's all there. In the next video, I'll show you the workflows AIDLC gives you, each one optimized for different types of work. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Let's go.